Hi, it's Zubair here again, and I wanted to show you some more Clojurescript in Lighttable and to go into a bit more depth this time. So last time I just showed you the Lighttable environment when I opened it, and I'd already set up some web page stuff and things like that, but this time I want to show you a few of the details. So one of the things that I had in the background was Leiningen. So I had a project which I would start using line. So I'll do that here. I can never remember my Unix commands, so I always have to use history. Okay, so if you do line build once, it will build a project just one time. So as you can see, it's compiling a Clojurescript project. If you do auto, it will rebuild the project every time a change is made to one of the files in the project. Okay, so if I start Lighttable, which I'm using as a Clojurescript editor, then you can see the configuration of this project within line, or Leiningen. I'm not sure how people say it. Okay, so there's another update. Okay. Okay, so start it again. Okay, so if you look in the workspace, you can see this project and my stuff. Now, if we take a step back to line, you'll see that we are in this my stuff directory, so it's the same project. Now you'll see this project.clj, and this is what's used to configure Leiningen line. I'll just start the build again. You might wonder why I'm doing this automatic build, but this is something I'll explain another time. So this is the same directory we were looking at here. So here you can see the project definition. So we include a few Clojurescript libraries like Domino, which is used for DOM manipulation, Create, which is used for creating HTML, and it's by the same author of Lighttable. This is a plugin to Line, which allows it to compile Clojurescript. This is the Clojure source paths. This is the Clojurescript source paths, and this is where all of the compiled Clojurescript will go to. So if you see here, main.js, that's all of the compiled Clojurescript. If you open that, you can see it's all obfuscated, or whatever the word is, which means it's like compiled JavaScript. Or compiled to JavaScript, rather. So I'll show you an example of the compilation. I'll change one of the source files. So if I change, I'll just make a change by deleting something. and saving it. Then you can see it recompiles all of the Clojurescript in the background, and it saves that Clojurescript to a JavaScript file. Now we can test that these changes have been saved by using the in-editor web browser. You might remember from one of the other episodes we have to edit this port every time we access a web page. Because the port changes every time you start Lighttable. I'm just copying the URL. I know it's ugly to do that, but it's just convenient. Okay, so now if you look at this HTML, you can see that it includes that JavaScript file, that JS file, that main.js, the one we output to, the one that was described here, is included in the HTML file here. So this means whenever the Clojurescript is recompiled, this JS file will change, which is imported in here. So this web page should change if it's if we reload it. So let's test that. Let's say JS alert Clojurescript tutorial. As you can see, it's compiling in the background, main.js. Now, if we reload this, yes, so it did update. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks a lot. Bye.